My son was referred to the infant hearing program when he was 2 months old. At 3 months old, he got his diagnosis, and at 6 months old, he got his first set of hearing aids. We were coming in every couple months to get his ear molds done, and then again to get them fitted once they've been completed.
When babies are going through a really rapid period of growth, they sometimes outgrow their ear molds faster than we can remake them. It interrupts them being a hearing aid user over and over and over again during the critical language development years. This has been an often talked about problem in my field for as long as I can remember.
It really started up, I think, as a ground up project, saying, maybe we can do something about this.
I was thrilled when I heard that they got the funding because this can change the life of so many people. It has the potential to remove some pretty big barriers that are in the system right now.
By the end of the ALLEars project, what will be different for a child who uses hearing aids is that we can digitally grow and predict their next ear mold so that we can just continuously keep making the next ear mold and the next one.
AI helps to reduce the repetition of the ear mold impression. If it learns how the growth is happening from 5 months to 10 months to 13 months and to 16 months, it can predict what will be the shape in 24 months. It can predict how the shape will be changed in future months.
What's most impressive about this project is our ability to predict what children's ears will be like in the future so that we can print their ear molds for them even as they grow up. We're taking design files from the AI team and converting them into files that can be sent to the printer. But because these are pediatric ear molds, they're very small. And so the resolution is very critical, and these are soft materials. So everything about this is difficult from a technical sense. We're going to solve the problem so that anyone in industry, anywhere in the world, can replicate what we're doing here for their own patients.
Something that started out as just this small idea in the clinic based on problems that we saw with our own patients could potentially now reach around the world.
To have a charitable agency that's willing to help us get that solved is a really, really special opportunity.
We can really put our superpowers together to do something that would be otherwise impossible anywhere in the world.
It's going to be game-changing, big, available, useful, and have something that actually overcomes a particular problem that our clinical colleagues continue to face every day.
I know how the impact of having to bring your child to multiple appointments, the time you have to take out of your day is big for families.
If I can play a small role and just make some part of this easier for them and for their children, it's worthwhile for me.
When I think of families in the future, I hope that this just gets easier for them. I hope it reduces the amount of times that they have to come in for appointments. I hope it reduces the stress that a child may feel in the chair. And I hope this project will just bring more awareness to children with hearing loss.